Today we're going to talk about seeing things differently. And we're going to do this by seeking wisdom from some of the world's great business leaders. Now, when I say great business leaders, what names come to mind? Maybe Jack Welch, Steve Jobs, Donald Trump, maybe? Good news, we're not going to talk about any of those people. We're going to talk about some real unsung great business leaders, ones you don't hear about too often, people like Jerry Seinfeld, Jay Leno, and Larry the Cable Guy. IBM commissioned a study to find out the most important traits in leaders, and they interviewed 1,500 corporate heads and public sector leaders across 33 industries and 60 countries. The second most important leadership identified was integrity. No surprise there, integrity is important. Apparently it's not that important, but it's up there, you know. Truthfully, integrity probably would have ranked a little bit higher if they hadn't interviewed so many people from Volkswagen. It really drug the number down, way down. But this was surprising to me. The number one most important leadership quality identified by these corporate leaders and public sector heads was creativity, teamwork. Comedian Amy Poehler says, be open to collaboration. Other people and other people's ideas are often better than your own. Take this opportunity today to learn from your coworkers, to ask questions, to listen. There are no trophies today just for showing up. There, however, is an award for wasting everyone's time, and I'd be happy to sell it to you. A study done by Forbes in 2013 found that 75% of all change management initiatives fail. There's been a lot of studies about this, and most of the studies peg that number at a much more optimistic 70% failure rate. You've heard the phrase that laughter is the best medicine. Turns out that may actually be true. A Stanford University study found that laughter and making a joke was a quick and inexpensive way to improve one's mood. So the next time if you're at work and you ever get busted for watching a cat video, just tell your boss you're trying to increase productivity. We're going to define motivation as the ability and energy required to maintain that positive attitude. Attitude comes into play on January 1st. I'm going to eat healthier this year. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to turn in my reports the day before they're due and keep my email inbox empty every day. And then motivation comes in later on in the year when things are ran off the rails, let's say January 8th.